Lecture 6637, The Diamond Brooch.
I would like to ask you a question regarding the quality of energy of diamonds. I already know that you will give me an amusing answer. A few days ago, while I was walking in the mountains, I found a brooch with 12 embedded diamonds. As I was picking it up, I started to think, how is it possible to find such an object in the mountains? Maybe it's fake, or perhaps it could be authentic. I got excited with these thoughts. Would it be better to keep the brooch with me along with those pleasant emotions? Or should I follow that little voice that suggests I verify its authenticity? Master, I'm not sure what I should do with it.
You're asking me what you should do with the brooch, right?
Yes, I'm curious about it.
Then I will tell you that it's better not to verify its authenticity. Why am I suggesting to you not to do that? If you were to have its authenticity verified, there will be two possible scenarios. If the object is fake, you might experience disappointment. Or you might become greedy if it turns out to be genuine. That's why it's better not to know. After all, that brooch isn't yours. But since you happen to find it, you can keep it. So don't try to get it authenticated. Just having found it is a beautiful thing. If someday you happen to meet someone for whom the brooch would be perfect for, in that case, offer it to them, and they would become its true owner. Imagine how splendid the brooch would look worn by that person without paying attention to whether it's real or fake. By doing this, you will become a person with a pure heart. Now that you've understood that this object doesn't belong to you, you will know that among the people you'll meet, there will be someone who perfectly matches that brooch. When you come across that person, give it to them because it will be uniquely theirs. This way, things will go well.